Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll show you how to fix Facebook Lite not responding issue. When you try to open Facebook Lite, you will see Facebook Lite is keep loading but it is not working. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon, click on all. So you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. So how you can fix this issue? You have to minimize this one. Open your phone settings. And then you have to scroll down. You have to go to apps. And then you have to go to Facebook Lite. First of all, you have to click on force stop. Click on OK, and then you have to click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Click on clear storage. You have to clear each and everything. Click on clear. Once you will clear each and everything, go back. Now again you have to click on force stop. Close this one. Now try to open Facebook Lite, and here you can see Facebook Lite is now working fine. You have to click on the language, and now you can log in to Facebook Lite with your any account. Click on login, and here you can see we are successfully logged in. So in the same way you can also fix Facebook Lite loading error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for